How to connect to any Wi-Fi without using password. This method is real and all you have to do is subscribe for this method to work for you, okay? Remember, subscribe for this method to work for you. So the first step, you go to settings, click on the settings app, then click on Wi-Fi. Then click on the Wi-Fi you want to connect and click advanced options. Click advanced options and there click proxy. Here, click proxy. Then in proxy, click manual, okay? Select the manual option. And then in host name, I'm going to want you to put these words exactly as I put, okay? Put these words, proxy.wps, okay? Proxy.wps. Remember, you have to subscribe for this method to work for you. I promise it will work. And then on the port, click on the port. Here you're going to put 8080. 8080. And on new sites, you have to put the name of your Wi-Fi, okay? Put the name of your Wi-Fi. Okay, for mine is called Belkin 5.18. So put the name of your Wi-Fi. Here, I'm going to put it real quick. And then in IP settings, I'm going to want you to put this, okay? Click static, okay? IP settings, click static. And then in the next option, you click IP address. I'm going to put these numbers exactly as I put. 192.168.1.18, okay? And in the router, I'm going to want you to put this WPS, okay? On the prefix length, click 24, put 24. DNS, click 8.8.8. And the DNS2, going to want to put 8.8.4.4, okay? And then click connect or join this network. Click connect or join this network. And there you go. As you can see, I am connected without using password, okay? Make sure to subscribe for this method to work because it creates a link between the connection. I promise this method is real and it will work for you. Thanks.